Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. What is wraparound? Let's select some fixtures and dimmer to 100% and store this as sequence 1. Now do some changes in the position, like this, and store this as Q2. Now let's say make a color and store this as Q3. So we press go, Q1, we press go, Q2, and we press go, Q3. And now we press go again, and it's going back to Q1. Why is it go back to Q1 from Q3? This is because the wraparound function is on. So wraparound means if you're at the end of the cue list and you press go, you're jumping back to the start of the cue list. We can now disable wraparound, and let's see the behavior now. So Q1, Q2, Q3, and now I can press go, but nothing will happen because it's stopping at the end of the cue list. So this is wraparound. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.